Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, we are testing a very crucial support level here at the 17 mark. In yesterday's video, we did have a beautiful bearish confirmation and that continuation, and we did start to create a midterm support. I mentioned that as long as Luna Classic does not break below this 16 level, we do have a bullish case scenario still, but we would have to break above this 18 mark and find it as consolidation. Ideally, from a continuation pattern, it would look something like this for Luna Classic, where we continue making higher highs, but as of right now, we just are not seeing that volume on the 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour time frames, you can see that we are pretty much seeing that gravestone doji form as well as the fact that we do have some bearish confirmation candles. So what we're looking for, of course, from a bullish perspective is a strong bullish moveset and then that continuation. I did want to talk about a few things in this video. Number one being the fact that from a bearish case scenario, the reason why I'm leaning towards a more bearish case is the fact that we've only tested this major support level once. What we're looking for is a second and third test confirmation and that continuation on Luna Classic in order for us to assume that this level is a very good support level, and then we can start looking for those long trades. When we only see one test confirmations on major supports, these levels tend to act as magnets until the second and third test. Now, I wanted to show you guys something really interesting on the daily time frames. Other than the fact that this level has to be tested, you guys can see that in terms of the 86 level, which is what I am leaning towards from a absolute bottom on Luna Classic and then that continuation, the reason why I'm leaning towards that level specifically is, of course, the fact that you can see that we did bounce off this level multiple times before we had this massive move set. But I wanted to show something interesting. You can see right now on Luna Classic that we are pretty much hovering right above this 14 level. If this 14 level does act as a very strong support and we continue consolidating, this can be seen as the same sort of moveset that we saw over here. Zooming out of the chart, you can see that Luna Classic had this massive move upwards to around that June area. Then we had that consolidation. Then we had another massive move back over here in September, and then the consolidation once again. Now we are consolidating, so ideally the next explosive move should put us around that 80 to 90 mark, and then the consolidation once more. But you can see that Luna Classic has started to create these crazy patterns, right? Of course, this would be invalidated if we get any break below this 86 level, but in terms of a consolidation zone right now, if the 14 level is the absolute area for that long position, then we would have to see a possible 3, 4, 5 test before that continuation, much like we saw over here on that 86 level. If we do see any clean break of this formation, then that would give us the analysis to start looking for the 86 level to play out and then that continuation overall. Ideally, if we look at the hourly perspective, we do have volume dying as well, so we have to be very careful here. But if you guys notice on the hourly, we do have a beautiful bar formation as play. If this bar formation does continue, although it is smaller, then we could be looking for that retest of that 16 mark and possibly be looking for that overall moveset to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.